what are the things which make sure that how much risk we can have and how much we can pass it on to others. So if you ask, in India is a one company where we say that we are underinsured and oversaved. So what happened? We always think that this risk may not comes to me. I'm fit and fine. I'm doing the health. I'm eating well. I'm doing very good fitness. So sometimes I am sure if you go back and think yourself in last 1 2 years, and I used to ask this question to Vanil and everybody. Was so fit and fine. He is so young. He is so good. He was so health conscious. How come suddenly this happened? It may be through COVID or what may be the reason. But we realize it, the risk can come anywhere and anytime. It doesn't knock and come. So one is, of course, the health side, how we have to take care. But at least are we prepared in case of risk coming? That we will be able to get the best of facilities, the best of treatment. How to make sure that is the one part what we are trying to speak. How we can make sure that we get a good health cover, what are the aspects of health cover, and how we can make sure that we have a very, I can say, clear mind. So I'll give you my own example. This is what happened around, I think so we have paid 6 years back. One of our customer came and he asked us, can I get a 1 crore of health cover? And I said, there is no, that time there was no available of 1 crore health cover at all. And then I asked, why you need 1 crore? I have never given anybody more than 25 lakhs. And then this is because, God grace, you have not gone through the critical illness in your family or something. If that is a reason, sometimes the money goes much beyond. So he says that, why don't you think, because we used to have a 10 lakhs that time. And he said, why don't you think having a much more? And then being ourselves as a broker, I asked my team to give it some quotation of 25 lakhs and 50 lakhs. And to my surprise, I still remember that the premium of 25 lakhs and 50 lakhs was only 3.5 lakhs, 3,500 difference. And I said, there's not even any rocket science that I have to go into 50 lakhs because it is so cheap. So what I have noticed is the health cover, of course, last 1.5 years, the health cover has gone very high because of mortality charges are high. People have died quite high and because of COVID. But that time, because we have taken a 6 years back, the 50 lakhs cover was much cheap. And you won't believe when people has to say that, okay, we should take a COVID cover separate or not separate, Rashna, what to do and all this stuff. And I was saying, anyway, we have a 50 lakhs cover for all the family. So everything will be considered because COVID was a part of the overall cover also. So the peace of mind it gives you because you are taken care of for unknown risk. I can tell you it is much beyond that few thousands of a premium it is. So what is a risk? Risk is normally what a condition which is a possibility may come. It's not sure that it may 100% come. It may be a 1%, maybe 0.1%. It's the same thing I can say always like a car. I've been driving more than I think so. When I got it 98, almost like a 23 years I've been driving. We've never, at least I have never even dashed somebody. But you have been paying the car insurance, correct? It may be a 0.001% of the things that people may use the car insurance money. But the question is, some people else must be using it. It's a probability cases. So risk is, in case it comes, somebody will take care of me. So that is the one thing. Of course, car insurance is more of a third party insurance that you have to make sure that you have not hurting third person. But most of us, we have to see, can I take care of a risk myself or not? And it is going to impact my financial loss or not? So the possibility of loss, it can be anything, mainly on finance side, we try to take care by the insurance.